Welcome to my ClearScope review usage experience. In this video, I'll be sharing an in-depth look at ClearScope, a powerful SEO content optimization tool designed to help marketers, content creators, and businesses improve their content's performance and rank higher on Google. Links to the product are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out. ClearScope is tailored for professionals who need to create SEO-optimized content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a content marketer, an SEO specialist, or a copywriter, ClearScope makes it easier to produce high-quality, keyword-rich content that resonates with both readers and search engines. Its primary strength lies in content optimization, helping you enhance articles, blog posts, and other written materials to meet SEO standards and attract organic traffic. The platform's key feature is its comprehensive keyword analysis. ClearScope allows users to enter their target keyword, and it provides a detailed analysis of related terms, phrases, and LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords. It also gives you a content grade based on how well the page ranks for that keyword, helping you adjust your content to cover all necessary areas to improve its SEO potential. ClearScope also offers a competitor comparison feature, which allows you to compare your content with top-ranking pages for the same keyword. This makes it easy to see what's missing or underperforming in your content compared to what already works for others in your niche. Another great feature is its user-friendly interface. The platform is straightforward, even for beginners, making it easy to implement its suggestions without feeling overwhelmed. It also integrates with Google Docs, allowing you to directly optimize your content as you write. In conclusion, ClearScope is a fantastic SEO tool for anyone serious about improving their content's visibility and ranking. If you're looking to create optimized, high-performing content, ClearScope will definitely help you get there. Check out the links in the description for more information and to get started today.